some places are not too nice to place your loot spots in, because you cannot reach them very easily, which pisses some players off. This is a couple of examples of what can happen, and I'm gonna use one of the barracks as an example to show you how to use loot positions mod. And the same here. Seems to be perfect to be picked up, but no go. I am assuming you know how to place a soldier in editor, so load exile and loot position mod. Make sure you touch the building with your ball. Hit 1. Choose which table do you want this building to be in. Now, page down and page up is how far the ball is away from you. On the left hand bottom corner you see exactly how far. With home and end you change how far the ball is from the surface you're looking at. So you have to play a little with it, because if you're looking at, let's say, a cupboard or chest of drawers, it's gonna be a bit different. It might gonna go to the side, so just play about with it and fill it out. Make sure you're not gonna hit 3, because that's gonna assign random loot spots for the whole building, which are not perfect in my opinion, but sometimes you just kinda have to use it, because you're not gonna get the ball positioning at some awkward angles and stuff. Once you finished placing all your loot spots, you hit 4 to finish the building. Now you can carry on doing more buildings, but I would suggest doing them either one by one, either just doing one, seeing how it's in game, then doing like 2 or 3, and if you feel comfy enough, if you feel like you're not gonna screw it up, then just go ahead and do as many as you want at one time. Once you're ready to upload your loot spots to the server, you press 5 and you get 2 pop-ups, which you should just understand. I click no and cancel, because I don't want them saving into file and then the other one asks about some Bohemia stuff. After you press 5, the loot spots save into your clipboard, so you can just use Ctrl and V to paste them into your favorite text editor. I took a bit of a wrong approach here, but well, we live to learn, eh? Navigate to your server folder, go to @exile server add-ons, create a backup of your exile server config PBO, extract your PBO into a folder, go inside and create a file with extension .hpp. Doesn't really matter how you name it, you just need to know the naming. I use the loot.hpp for example here, and open it. Ctrl and V to paste whatever you saved with when hitting 5 in the game. Scratch the top part. You're gonna find out about it in a second. I'll save this. Keep note of the name of the file. Go to your config.cpp. I'm gonna have this in the description for you. You will paste it under config patches, right under these two thingies. I paste it and include the brown one. Include, make sure that this is the name of the file that you've just created. Keep that in mind. They have to be perfectly same as your file name. Next step is uncomment this below. You open uncomment and close uncomment on the bottom, like so, right above this class config. I'm gonna paste the uncomment brackets for you in the description as well. Just make sure the name of the file is correct and that you didn't miss any semicolons, you didn't delete anything. Make sure it looks the same. Hit that save button. Open your PBO. Delete the config which is inside. Replace it with the one that we've just overwritten and add the loot. Don't mind all of my files, you should have only config and one file for your loot spots in there. So just copy that in, close it. Make sure you got your right PBO in the right place. And that should be it. You should be good to go. Join the server and have a look around in that building to see if anything's spawning. I know the guide is a bit chaotic, but it's the first time I've ever done something like this. So if you got any questions or anything, just drop down a comment below. I'm gonna reply as soon as I can. If it helped you, drop a like or comment that you like it. See ya!